Imagine cutting your workload in half while doubling your output quality. What if I told you there's an AI tool that just made ChatGPT look like a calculator from the 90s? In the past month, over 100,000 professionals have quietly switched to a new AI platform that's doing something no other tool has managed before. Content creators are finishing week-long projects in hours, developers are coding entire applications in minutes, and business owners, they're automating tasks they thought would require hiring 3 different people. This isn't hype. This is Kling AI, and it's about to change everything about how you work. Welcome to AI Mastery Hub. For those new here, we cut through the noise to bring you only the AI tools that deliver real results. If you're enjoying this insider information, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of AI pioneers. Today we're pulling back the curtain on what might be the most powerful AI tool of 2025, one that combines the capabilities of at least 5 separate premium tools you're probably already paying for. Let's dive into what makes Kling AI special and why the smartest professionals are switching to it right now. Kling AI emerged in late 2024 as a comprehensive AI platform that combines multiple functionalities into one seamless interface. Unlike other AI tools that excel at just one thing, Kling positions itself as your complete AI command center. At its core, Kling AI offers advanced language processing capabilities that rival or exceed those of ChatGPT and Claude, a visual creation studio that generates and edits images, videos, and designs, voice synthesis and audio production tools, code generation and debugging assistance, data analysis and visualization features, and workflow automation across multiple platforms. What truly sets Kling AI apart is its unified approach. Rather than switching between different specialized tools, Kling brings everything together with a consistent interface and seamless integration between functions. The platform operates on a subscription model with a surprisingly generous free tier that gives users access to most core features with reasonable usage limits. Premium tiers unlock additional capabilities, higher usage limits, and priority processing. Now let's break down who can benefit most from Kling AI and how it's transforming different industries. If you're just getting started with AI, or consider yourself a tech enthusiast looking to explore what's possible, Kling AI offers the perfect entry point. The platform features an intuitive conversational interface that doesn't require any technical knowledge to start using. You can simply describe what you want to accomplish in plain language, and Kling guides you through the process. For example, let's say you want to create a simple visualization of some data. Instead of learning complex software, you can just tell Kling I have sales data for the last 12 months that I want to visualize as a line graph with monthly trends highlighted. Kling will not only create the visualization, but explain what it's doing along the way. What makes this especially valuable for beginners is the built-in learning path. As you use different features, Kling offers optional explanations of the underlying AI concepts and techniques. This means you're not just using a tool, you're developing valuable AI literacy that will serve you well as these technologies continue to evolve. The platform also includes a vibrant community forum where users share prompts, workflows, and creative ways to use the tool, making it easy to learn from others who are further along in their AI journey. For entrepreneurs and business owners, time is your most precious resource. Kling AI functions as a virtual team member that can handle multiple aspects of your operation. The platform excels at automating repetitive tasks that would normally eat up hours of your week, such as customer service responses based on your company voice and policies, content generation for marketing across multiple channels, market research and competitor analysis, financial projections and data analysis, and product descriptions and catalog management. One standout feature for business users is Kling's ability to integrate with existing business tools and platforms. It can connect with your CRM, email marketing software, analytics tools, and e-commerce platforms to create powerful automated workflows. For example, a solo entrepreneur I spoke with uses Kling to automatically generate personalized follow-up emails based on customer interactions, create social media content promoting new products, and even draft initial proposals for potential clients based on a few key inputs about their needs. The platform also includes customizable templates for business documents, presentations, and reports that adapt to your brand voice and style, saving countless hours of formatting and design work. Content creators are finding Kling AI to be a game changer for their creative workflows. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, blogger, or social media creator, Kling offers tools that enhance your creative process without replacing your unique voice. For example, you get script outlines and content ideas based on trending topics in your niche, B-roll video generation to complement your footage, thumbnail creation with advanced customization options, audio cleanup and enhancement for podcast or video content, automated caption generation in multiple languages, and content repurposing across different platforms. One of Kling's most impressive features for creators is its ability to analyze your existing content and learn your unique style. After processing a few of your videos, articles, or posts, it can generate suggestions that actually sound like you. A travel vlogger I follow recently shared how she uses Kling to brainstorm creative angles for destinations she's visiting, generate custom maps and graphics for her videos, and even create short-form content from her longer videos, all while maintaining her distinctive voice and style. The platform also includes a content calendar and scheduling feature that helps you maintain consistency across platforms, with AI-suggested optimal posting times based on your audience engagement patterns. If you're a freelancer or remote worker juggling multiple clients and projects, Kling AI serves as your personal assistant, helping you stay organized and productive. The platform includes project management tools with AI-powered task prioritization, time tracking that identifies productivity patterns and suggests optimal work schedules, client communication templates that adapt to different professional relationships, proposal and contract generation with customizable terms, invoice creation and payment tracking, and portfolio showcases that highlight your best work. What makes Kling particularly valuable for freelancers is its context awareness. The AI remembers details about each of your clients and projects, allowing you to quickly switch contexts without losing time getting back up to speed. For example, you could say, draft an update email for the Johnson website project, and Kling would know to use your professional communication style, include relevant details about that specific project's progress, and maintain consistency with previous communications to that client. The platform also helps with the business side of freelancing by analyzing your work patterns and suggesting optimal pricing strategies, identifying which types of projects are most profitable for you, and highlighting potential opportunities to upsell services to existing clients. For developers and those with technical backgrounds, Kling AI offers advanced capabilities that accelerate coding, problem-solving, and system design. The platform includes code generation across multiple programming languages with explanation of the logic, debugging assistance that identifies potential issues and suggests fixes, API integration support with documentation analysis, database query optimization, architecture design consultation, and automated testing suggestion and implementation. What sets Kling apart from other coding assistants is its holistic understanding of technical systems. Rather than just generating snippets, it can understand the broader context of what you're building and provide suggestions that consider security, scalability, and best practices. A developer I know uses Kling to prototype new features, refactor legacy code, and even explain complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders through automatically generated diagrams and simplified explanations. For those working with data, Kling includes powerful analysis capabilities that can process large data sets, identify patterns and anomalies, and visualize results in customizable formats, all through natural language requests rather than complex query languages. While Kling AI is impressive, it's important to understand its limitations. Like all AI tools, the quality of output depends heavily on the quality of your inputs and prompts. Privacy considerations exist when sharing sensitive business or personal information. The platform works best with consistent internet connectivity with limited offline capabilities. Some advanced features require the paid tiers, which start at $29 per month. The most important thing to remember is that Kling is a tool to enhance your capabilities, not replace your expertise or creativity. The best results come from collaborative use where you provide direction, feedback, and final review of AI-generated content. Kling AI represents a new generation of AI tools that bring together multiple capabilities into one unified platform. Whether you're a tech enthusiast just exploring what's possible, An entrepreneur looking to scale your operations, a content creator seeking to streamline your workflow, a freelancer juggling multiple clients, or a developer accelerating your coding process, Kling offers valuable features that can transform how you work. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to AI Mastery Hub. We drop videos like this every second day to keep you updated for the AI era. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest and greatest in AI technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.